I found that I wanted to name my business on the trademark registry, albeit with it pluralized. Is that it now? Does it literally mean I cannot name a business that? Does it matter that the words are registered under class 33 for wine and mine will most likely be class 25 for clothing?
Yeah, good question. So here it seems like this individual is seeking to register in the apparel class, class 25, and there's a registration for something almost identical in terms of the naming convention in class 33 for wine or the spirit category.
Yep.
No, I mean absolutely not. So just because there's a registration for wine at the USPTO under a very similar name to your apparel company, that wine registration should not block your apparel application. So I wouldn't have any concerns there, but it is interesting that it's already registered in the wine category and you're trying to register it in the apparel category. I'm curious what the branding is now, right? Because that's
Yeah.
not usually how this works. Usually, the apparel category is the one that's just chocked full of applications and clients are asking, can I file for wine? If it's registered. So
Yeah, they went the other way around.
they went the other way around on this one. But yeah, I mean, talk to a trademark attorney, have them do a formal search for you, or at least a knockout search, and they can pretty easily identify, other potential issues.